Hi class 11. Today we are discussed about law of chemical combinations. Previous lecture we are discussed about scientific notation. How to calculate the scientific notation. Now today we are discussed about law of chemical combination. First topic, law of conservation of mass. First, law of conservation of mass. Conservation of mass. Law of conservation of mass. During any physical or chemical change, total mass of product equal to total mass of rectangle. Total mass of rectangle. According to law of conservation of mass, during any physical or chemical change, it means किसी भी फिजिकल और केमिकल चेंज में जो भी टोटल मास प्रोडक्ट का होता है वो इक्वल टू होता है टोटल मास ऑफ रेक्टेंगल. यू नाउ दैट सपोज A plus B, then the formations of new product C. This one the rectangle side and this product side. This one is the product side. Suppose A product mass 10 grams and B product mass 20 grams. Finally we get product 30 grams product. It means total mass of product equals to total mass of rectangle in a chemical reaction. Let us take another example. 20 moles of NaCl react with AgNO3. So 20 grams of NaCl, 10 grams of AgCl, and we get product AgCl NaNO3. So 25 grams AgCl and byproduct 5 grams. The total mass of overall these equations, total mass of product equals to total mass of rectangle. This one 30 grams product side and rectangle side 30 grams also. Thanks. Next, law of definite proportional. A given compound always has the same proportion of its constituent particles. Constituent elements by mass. It means a given compound always has the same proportion of its constituent element by mass. It means कोई भी कंपाउंड जो बनता है उसके जो कंस्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल्स होते हैं जिनसे वो जनरेट हो रखा है, जो उसके कंपोजिशन होते हैं, उनका रेशियो फिक्स होता है चाहे वो 1 मॉलिक्यूल्स में हो चाहे वो 1000 मॉलिक्यूल्स में हो, तब भी उनका जो कंस्टिट्यूएंट प्रोपोर्शन होता है वो सेम होता है। लेट अस टेक एग्जांपल्स। इन द केस ऑफ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स, in the case of water molecules, hydrogen mass 1 unit mass, and another hydrogen also 1 unit mass, and oxygen have 16 unit mass. The mass number of oxygen 16 mu. So two hydrogen and one oxygen to form water molecules. The mass of hydrogen 2 hydrogen and 16 water molecules, formation of water molecules 18. So now the hydrogen, overall hydrogen 2 by 18 and oxygen 16 by 18. The solve this. 2 1 is 2, 2 9 is 18, 2 8 is 16, or 2 9 is 18. The fixed ratio of water molecules 1:8. It means if there is molecules, the water will have the, if there is molecule, the water will have the same ratio of water as the whole water in a bucket. If there is a molecules, the water will have the same ratio of water as the whole water in the bucket. It means चाहे वो आपके एक ड्रॉप के बराबर पानी होगा, उसका रेशियो भी 1:8 होगा, चाहे आप एक पूरे बकेट भर के पानी को रखते हैं, उसमें में जो नेक्स्ट लॉ ऑफ मल्टीपल प्रोपोर्शनल, लॉ ऑफ मल्टीपल प्रोपोर्शनल, law of multiple proportional, law of multiple proportion, law of multiple proportion law of multiple proportion state that when two elements combine with each other to form one or more than one compounds, the weight of one elements that combine that combine with fixed weight of the other are in ratio of small whole number. It means the law of multiple proportion states that when two elements combine with each other to form one or more than one compounds, the weight of one element that combine with fixed weight of the other are in the ratio of small whole number. According to law of multiple proportion states that when two elements combine with each other to form one or more than one compounds, the weight of one element that combine with fixed weight of the other are in the ratio of small whole number. It means जो भी हमारे पास यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे, टू एलिमेंट्स को कंबाइन करेंगे किसी भी केमिकल इक्वेशन में, तो उसमें क्या होगा, जो वेट होगा उसमें जो फिक्स वेट होगा उसका होगा किसके बराबर, स्मॉल होल नंबर आएगा हमारे पास. लेट अस टेक एग्जांपल्स इन द केस ऑफ H2O and another case H2O2, water and peroxide case. In the case of water and peroxide, hydrogen and oxygen, 2 units of hydrogen, 2 moles of hydrogen and 16 moles of oxygen. In the case of H2O, 2 units of hydrogen and O2 molecules, 1 oxygen molecules 16 and 2 16 multiple 2 यानी 32 grams. Now the ratio of in the hydrogen molecules in both cases are same, equal, but oxygen molecules has different ratio. The ratio of in this case 16 by 32 यानी कि 16 1 16 16 2 32. The ratio of both 1:2. The ratio of multiple proportion is small whole number. Now let us take next example. In the case of methane, CH4 carbons, 4 grams of CH4 and another C2H6 ethane, 5 grams of ethane. The carbon, hydrogen and carbon. The hydrogen and carbons, how many hydrogen? 4 hydrogen in the case of methane. The 4 hydrogen in the case of methane. So this one is the 4 grams. And carbon, one carbon had 12 mass number. In the case of ethane, 6 hydrogen and 2 carbons, यानी कि 6 hydrogen, 1 hydrogen mass number 1 and 6 hydrogen 1 into 6. And carbon, in the case of carbons, 2 carbons molecules are ethane. Those 1 carbons is 12 and 2 carbons is 24. But in the case of both cases, ethane and methane, the mass ratio of both cases are different. First of all, we do in the equal ratio. of in the case of hydrogen as well as carbon. It means या तो हमें क्या इसमें क्या देखते हैं कि जो हाइड्रोजन, इथेन और मीथेन के केस में क्या हो रहा है, मीथेन और इथेन के केस में इनका रेशियो अलग अलग हो जा रहा है, तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, या तो इसको इक्वल करना पड़ेगा. तो वी टेक द मल्टीपल बाय 3, 4 into 3 also 12 into 3. So now we take 4 3 are 12 and this one 36. And in the case of 6 multiplied by 2, 6 multiplied by 2 12 and 24 multiplied also 2 to 2 4 ja 8 and 2 ja 4 48. So we take equal methane and ethane hydrogen. So we get the ratio 36 by 48, 36 by 48, 3 ratio 4, 3 ratio 4. Next law we are discussed about the Gay-Lussac law. In the Gay-Lussac law, the law of volume, law of gaseous volume, also known as law of gaseous volume, gaseous volume. When gases combine, when gases combine, when gases combine or are produced in a chemical equation, in a chemical equations, chemical reactions, they do so in a simple ratio by volume provided all gases are at the same temperature, and pressure. It means when, according to Gay-Lussac law of gaseous volume, when gases combine or are produced in chemical reactions, they do so in a simple ratio by volumes, provide all gases are at the same temperature and pressure. We know that if temperature and pressure are changed, so volume also change. It means अगर हम क्या करते हैं, इसमें से टेम्परेचर या प्रेशर को थोड़ा सा भी चेंज कर दें हैं, तो उसके बाद वॉल्यूम में भी हमें चेंजेस देखने को मिलते हैं. इसलिए जो ये लॉ काम करता है, स्पेशली सेम टेम्परेचर होना मस्टली है. इसके लिए सेम टेम्परेचर और सेम प्रेशर का होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो लेट अस टेक एग्जांपल हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन. हाइड्रोजन plus oxygen, we get formation of water molecules. So two volumes of hydrogen, and 1 volumes of oxygen, O2 molecules. Then we get 2 volumes of water molecules. Then get 2 volumes of water molecules, 2H2O. Let us take equation 2H2, 2 volumes of hydrogen and 1 volume of oxygen. So we get 2H2O. Now next law, Avogadro law. Next law, Avogadro law. Avogadro law. Equal volumes, according to Avogadro, equal volumes of all gases at the same temperature and pressure should contain equal number of molecules, It means, according to Avogadro law, equal volume of all gases at the same temperature and pressure should contain equal number of molecules. Let us take example. Two volumes of hydrogen, let us X and X, and one volumes of oxygen, it X. So finally we get product. H2O. The H2O are two volumes hydrogen, one volumes oxygen. So finally we get two volumes of water. Let us take 2x hydrogen molecules and X oxygen molecules, then we get 2x H2O molecules. According to Avogadro law, equal volumes of all gases, the same temperature and same pressure contain equal number of molecules. जो यहाँ पे वॉल्यूम्स होता है किसका, कि हमारे पास जैसा हाइड्रोजन का और ऑक्सीजन का, तो वहाँ पे जैसा टू वॉल्यूम्स हम किसका ले रहे हैं, हाइड्रोजन का, और वन वॉल्यूम्स ऑक्सीजन का ले रहे हैं, तो जो हमें नंबर ऑफ गैसेस मॉलिक्यूल्स मिलेंगे किसमें, वाटर के अंदर, वो टू वॉल्यूम्स होगा. दैट क्लियर.